spent hours creating your masterpiece video and crafting an engaging title, only to finish editing and find yourself at a loss when it comes to designing an eye-catching thumbnail? What if I told you that you no longer have to worry about it? Give me 8 minutes and I will reveal a brand new method I just discovered. It's completely free with no hidden fees. Let me show you how. Okay, so what you need to do is very simple. So go over to your YouTube video app and then paste the title of your video. For example, if your title is how to grow on YouTube or how to make money online, any title of your video, so just click on the search bar and search for and type the title of your video. So in my case, I'm going to type how to grow on YouTube. Okay, so I click on enter. So this trick usually work for channels that are faceless channels, that they don't really want to show their face. And aside from using the step I'm going to show you, you can also use this thumbnails you are seeing right here to generate ideas for your own thumbnail. That is if you want to create your own thumbnail from scratch. You can use Canva, you can use CapCut, you can use any other thumbnail editing software, right? So what we are looking for is to look for an eye-catching thumbnail, something that you will click on, something that really attracts you, right? So I'm just scrolling over to see one that can get my attention. So we have bunch here, so let me just pick one. Okay, let me just pick this one. I think I saw one. Okay, let me pick this one. Okay, so look at this thumbnail. Just click on that 3 dot sign.
Sometimes I think is that it's humble, but it's.
So what I just did is to copy the URL of that video. Okay, and then you now go to your browser and go and click on search for YouTube thumbnail downloader. So want to download the thumbnail, then you just choose anyone you can use here. So I use this one. So and then you will now paste the link of the video. So okay, as you can see, the thumbnail has been generated. So what I can do is to download the thumbnail. Okay, so and then I will hold on the picture and click on download image. Okay, so the next thing is to go over to ChatGPT. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT. So what you just need to do is to go over to this top left corner right here, click that dots and select explore GPT. So when you click on explore GPTs, you are going to see this option, this tool rather, which is called image generator. So I've already clicked on it. That is why I can see it here. So this is what you are going, this image generator is what you are looking for in this explore GPT. So you are going to see other GPT tools, right, that you can use for different purposes. Or just click on this image generator. Okay, so here we are in the image generator. So what I'm going to do right now is to paste the thumbnail that we just downloaded. So click on this plus sign right here and then click on upload file, and then you click on the thumbnail, select the thumbnail. So this is a thumbnail, right? So you need to give this image prompt generator a prompt to generate another prompt for you for this image. So I have a prompt right here. So I'll copy this prompt and then go over to the image prompt generator again and click on attach. Now look at the prompt. I said the attached image is a YouTube video thumbnail, so I need you to study it very well, then give me the perfect image prompt to generate the same or similar closely related image. Okay, all right, so then you click on send. So this AI tool is going to craft you the perfect or let me say closely related, prompt for this image. So here it is. Just click on copy code. When you click on copy code, and then you can now paste. Okay, don't paste it here. Just go to your clip chat, or maybe any of your chat software, and then I want you to just read the prompt and compare it to the image, to the thumbnail that you've already generated. So this one says a high quality close-up portrait of a young man with shorts. Okay. Overlaying the image are 2 contrasting subscriber counts, graphics on the left, a small white box with 7 subscribers in both text, okay, and a red downward arrow on the right, a larger white box. Okay, all right. So if you've already looked at the prompt and see that it is something related, closely related to the thumbnail, then you can click on copy, and then let's go to the most popular image generator tool, which is what? Leonardo AI. So log into Leonardo AI and paste your prompt. Okay, so I've pasted my prompt right here. So click on settings, make sure it is 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the default ratio for YouTube video. And then you might choose to use flow state, but I prefer use the classic mode. So click on create, and let's see what this amazing tool will create for you. So this is really okay for YouTube channels that are in the faceless niche that does not really want to show their face. All right, so these are the images I have used this to test even before showing you how to do this. So our image is still generating. Let's see if it will come out well. So if you don't really get your desired result, you can always regenerate and regenerate until you get the perfect one for your YouTube video. Wow, as you can see, this is almost perfect. This is almost perfect. This is an eye-catching thumbnail, honestly. So just pick the one that you think is okay for you, and if it's not, you just need to click on regenerate again. I think you have 150 credits for generating images in Leonardo AI every day. So keep on doing it, then you can be able to get your perfect one. So this is how I generated the thumbnail that you clicked on this video. So it's very simple. Okay, so if you like this, please kindly like, subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss amazing tips like this. Okay, thank you.